Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Now topic is trigonometry, subtopic is compound angles. Now your first one, if cos alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 5, sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13 and 0 less than alpha comma beta less than pi by 4. Now tan 2 alpha is equal. Now tan 2 alpha means tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Tan 2 alpha can be written as tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Beta beta cancel, only 2 alpha. Now we are tan A plus B formula. Now tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Okay, now where sin or cos alpha plus beta are given, sin alpha minus beta are given. Now find, according to these two values, find tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Okay, now according to here given conditions, 0 less than alpha less than beta. 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4 and also 0 less than beta less than pi by 4. 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 4. Now adding both. Now 0 plus 0, 0 less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 45 plus 45, 90. Now alpha plus beta belongs to 0 and pi by 2. Now alpha plus beta belongs to Q1. Alpha plus beta belongs to Q1. Next here, 0 less than beta less than pi by 4. Now we multiply with minus 0 greater than minus beta greater than minus pi by 4. Now here this can be right minus pi by 4 less than minus beta less than 0. Now here adding both 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4 minus pi by 4 less than minus beta less than 0. Now minus pi by 4 less than alpha minus beta less than, now pi by 4 plus 0 means now here pi by 4. Now alpha minus beta between minus pi by 4 and pi by 4, and here also sin alpha minus beta 5 by 13, here this one greater than 0. Now sin alpha minus beta 5 by 13 is greater than 0 and between minus pi by 4 and pi by 4. Therefore alpha minus beta belongs to 0 and pi by 4. 0 and pi by 4 means now here also alpha minus beta belongs to Q1. Now that implies alpha minus beta belongs to Q1. Alpha plus beta belongs to Q1 and alpha minus beta also belongs to Q1. Now here according to right angle triangle, now cos alpha plus beta are given. Now here alpha plus beta. Now cos theta means here adjacent hypotenuse. Now here that value is 4. Now according to this one, tan alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 3. And here also alpha minus beta. Now alpha minus beta means here sin alpha minus beta opposite side, here hypotenuse. Now here this value is 12. Now tan alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 12. Now here alpha plus beta belongs to Q1, alpha minus beta also belongs to Q1. Both are in first quadrant means both values are positive. Now here both values are substitute this one. Now tan alpha plus beta value 4 by 3. Now here 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12. Okay, now in LCM 12. Now 16 plus 5 by, now here 4 ones, 4 threes, 1 minus 5 by 9. Now that is equal to 21 by 12 into 9 by 4. Okay, now 3 threes, 3 fours. Now 63 by 16 is equal to 63 by 16. 63 by 16. Therefore, tan 2 alpha is equal to 63 by 16. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one. If x cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2y by 3, z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, then the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now this type of problems are given. Here theta or alpha or beta or any angles are given. Now put theta is equal to 0. Put theta is equal to 0. 0 means x cos 0 is equal to y cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos 4 pi by 3. Now here cos 0 value 1x into 1, y into cos 2 pi by 3 value cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, and also z. Now here cos 4 pi by 3 value, and here also minus 1 by 2. Now x by 1 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by minus 2. Okay, now here is equal to k means x value k, y value minus 2k or z value minus 2k. Or directly substitute x value 1, y value minus 2, z value minus 2, this one. Now here, now x value 1 means x value 1, y value minus 2, z value minus 2. Now here, given expression 1 by x value 1 plus y value minus 2, z by minus 2, z value also minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now LCM 2 minus 2, 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Next one, in triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90 degrees. Tan P by 2, tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then condition is, now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, have roots alpha and beta. Then sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Product of the roots c by a. And here also tan p by 2, tan q by 2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then sum of the roots tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 is equal to minus b by a, and also tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to c by a. And also now in triangle PQR, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degrees. Now P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degrees. Now P plus Q, now R value 90, P plus Q is equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Now both sides dividing with 2. Now P plus Q by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. P plus Q is equal to 45 degrees. Taking tan on both sides, now tan P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to tan 45 degrees. Now tan A plus B formula, now tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2 by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to tan 45 value is 1. Now tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 value minus b by a by 1 minus c by a is equal to 1. Okay, now here LCM a minus c, a cancel, minus b by a minus c is equal to 1. Minus b by minus b by a minus c is equal to 1 by a minus c by a, and here also a cancel. Now minus b is equal to a minus c. Now a plus b is equal to, now c is equal to a plus b. Therefore option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is